This video guide will give you instructions on how to effectively remove the browser hijacker called searchpower. It is also known under the name of the website searchpower.xyz. While testing the searchpower application, our malware research team has found out that it is a typical browser hijacker. In fact, it is used to promote the searchpower.xyz fake search engine. So, it hijacks a web browser by modifying its settings. We have also discovered that search power is spread through rogue advertising networks, and it may be promoted through bundling with some free applications. So people tend to download and install these hijacker pretty unintentionally. This is why it is correctly classified as a typical browser hijacker. Whenever you start submitting some search queries, you might realize that the results are no longer delivered by Google, but rather by some other unwanted search engine, like Bing or Yahoo or some other search engine that has not been chosen by you. And it doesn't matter what search queries you submit, you still get the results by some other search engines. Obviously, that's the problem. To fix these issues, you should remove this hijacker from your computer. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, then disable and remove any third-party extensions that could be found here. Now, to make sure that your computer is free of any other hidden threats, I strongly advise that you scan it with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download it through this green download button. Install the program and start investigating your computer in order to detect and delete other threats from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.